What if I told you that everything you've ever wanted, happiness, success, love, is already coded inside you? But here's the catch. Your subconscious is like a locked vault. Right now, it's either creating the life of your dreams effortlessly or silently sabotaging you without you realizing it. The good news? Once you learn to reprogram your subconscious mind, you can unlock unlimited potential. Let me show you how. Carl Jung, the legendary psychologist, said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate." Alarm. Bruce Lipton's research shows that your subconscious controls 95% of your daily actions. It processes 40 million bits of information per second, shaping your reality automatically. Your beliefs, fears, and habits are formed before the age of 7, and most people never update them. Think about it. Are you living the life you truly desire? Or are you just following the subconscious script written years ago? The moment you change your programming, your reality changes with it. In 1954, Roger Bannister did the impossible. For decades, people believed running a mile under 4 minutes was physically impossible. Scientists even said it would kill a human. But Bannister did something different. He trained his subconscious. Every day, he visualized himself breaking the 4-minute mile. He didn't just see it, he felt it as real. Within weeks, he made history. And guess what? 46 days later, someone else broke the same record. Why? Because once Bannister proved it was possible, the subconscious beliefs of others changed too. The lesson? Your mind is the only limit. This isn't new. Ancient cultures have known this for thousands of years. Buddhist monks practice deep meditation to rewire their subconscious for peace and enlightenment. The Egyptian mystery schools taught that thought creates reality, long before modern science. Native American shamans used affirmations and trance states to heal the mind and body. But today, in the modern world, we've forgotten this power. It's time to reclaim it. 1. The hypnagogic state, the golden window of the mind. Right before you fall asleep, your brain enters the hypnagogic state. Studies from Harvard Medical School show that this state absorbs information 10 times faster, rewires limiting beliefs overnight. What to do? As you drift off, whisper affirmations like, "I am successful and my mind is limitless. Opportunities come to me effortlessly. I release all fear and welcome abundance." Your subconscious will record and replay these thoughts while you sleep, reprogramming you effortlessly. Dr. Émile Coué, a French psychologist, discovered that talking to yourself in the mirror can rewire beliefs faster than normal affirmations. Here's how. Check. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Say your affirmations with absolute conviction. Why it works. Your subconscious believes what you tell it with emotion. Mirror work triggers a deep neurological response that speeds up belief change. Do this every morning for 21 days. And watch your confidence and success skyrocket. In 1960, Dr. Maxwell Maltz, a plastic surgeon, discovered something strange. After giving people surgery, their self-image didn't change instantly. Their subconscious still saw them as their old self for about 21 days. But when they consciously rewrote their identity, their reality changed. How to use this today? Every morning, write down, checkmark who you are becoming, e.g., I am a confident, successful leader. What your life looks like now that you've unlocked your potential. One bold action you'll take today to align with this version of you. Research shows that journaling like this rewires the brain faster than passive thinking. If you're waiting for success, ask yourself, have I reprogrammed my subconscious to receive it? Because reality isn't about luck, it's about alignment. Comment below. What's the one thing you want to reprogram your subconscious for? Subscribe for more life-changing videos. Your dream life is waiting. It's time to unlock it.